Part 284C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3p38d19d7b7. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d19d7b7. Passive optical network formula 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. So point-to-point pulses signals, nanowires formula for a long-distance communication. March 15, 2013, today is the 24th. Split colliding laser formulas from data found in this video and in the previous video. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d19d2 Hertzian Dipole magnet transformer 5G Wow Seti. The keywords we looked at was dissipation, lambda, and ferrite rod. Lambda was in line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d19d6e Hertzian Monopile Pillings 5G Wow Seti. Line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d19d7b Distributed Bragg Reflector formula 5G Wow Seti. Then we have line 22f1fa 19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p38d19d7b6 thin film beam splitter lasers 5G Wow Seti. Then the keywords for lambda, there was distributed Bragg reflector and then dielectric mirror. Then I googled Ti-sapphire laser and thin film beam splitters, and that's what we just looked at before. Now we're going to work on the keyword for passive optical network part 1, and this is from beam splitters. So quote diagrams are from Wiki. This shows an active optical network, AON, showing how it works, and then a passive optical network, PON. Downstream traffic in active top versus passive optical network. So passive optical network, or PON, is a point-to-multipoint fiber-to-the-premises network architecture in which unpowered optical splitters are used to enable a signal optical fiber to serve multiple premises, typically 16 to 128. A PON consists of an optical line terminal, OLT, at the service provider's central office and a number of optical network units, ONUs, near end users. A PON reduces the amount of fiber and central office equipment required compared with point-to-point architectures. A passive optical network is a form of fiber optic access network. Downstream signals are broadcasted to all premises sharing multiple fibers. Encryption can prevent eavesdropping. Upstream signals are combined using a multiple access protocol, usually time division multiple access, TDMA. The OLTs range in the ONUs in order to provide the time slot assignments for upstream communication. March 15, formula from the data. Passive optical network, point-to-multipoint, fiber network architecture, unpowered optical splitters used enable single optical fiber serve multiple premises, 16 to 128, PON, optical line terminal, OLT, I'm going to Google that. Service providers central office number, optical networks units onus, near end users, passive optical network reduces amount fiber, central office equipment required compared point to point, architectures, passive optical network form, fiber optic, access network downstream signals to Earth from Kepler, broadcasted all premises, sharing multiple fibers, core UFO spaceship, encryption, prevent eavesdropping, upstream signals combined. Multiple access protocol, time division, multiple access, TDMA plus OLT plus range plus OPMUS plus order plus provide plus time slow assignments, upstream communication. Keyword passive optical network part 2 will be in the next video. Thank you for watching.